Hello everyone, this is Fazalur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying well. Today I brought you a project on artificial intelligence domain, and this project also uses some machine learning algorithms as well as some real-time API. The concept of the project is YouTube sentiment analysis. So in this project, actually there are two different ways are there to execute this project. We know it very well, machine learning model training is required. So the training part also I'm going to explain you, as well as this deployment of the model, that also I'm going to explain you. So let's explore what actually the training we have done. First of all, we have collected the data set from the official Kaggle website for YouTube sentiment analysis. YouTube comments we have collected, and here is the notebook file. I'm not going to explain you each and every point here, just I'll try to provide you the briefing of it. First of all, we are importing the necessary libraries here, then loading the dataset, youtube.csv file. This is the dataset file, and displaying top 5 and bottom 5 records from our dataset. Then doing some exploratory data analysis here, and after that again displaying the data frame. You can see the comment is there, score is there, as well as sentiment of the particular YouTube comment, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. Based on the score, it will be decided. Now, after that, we have got here the values count. Positive, how many values do we have, and neutral, negative. Out of 10,000 change records. Overall, our dataset contains 10,000 plus records. After that, some text cleaning we are doing using the libraries like regular expression, string, and pandas. And after cleaning the data, displaying the top 5 and bottom 5 records here. And next, here text reprocessing we are doing. After that, model training started from here, modeling the data set, and PFIDF vectorizer also we are using here. Train test split 20%, for testing we are using 80% for training. Balancing the data. First of all, the first model which we are applying here is the logistic regression model, and here is the confusion matrix. The accuracy what we have got is around 90%, around approximately 90% accuracy. Next, multinomial classification, and the 82% accuracy we have got. Third model is random forest classification, 99% of accuracy we have got here. Fourth model is the decision tree model, where we have got here again 99% of accuracy in test and train. At a boost classification also we are doing here. And after that, BiLSTM model also we are applying here. Saving the model, predicting from the user side. BERT-LSTM also we are applying here. This comes under deep learning techniques. Next, model comparison. If we see here, out of all 6 different models, decision tree and random forest is providing the highest accuracy. So we are going to deploy any of the model at the user side. Model comparison graph. Saving the model and predicting by the user. Negative, and here we have got positive here. So now this model we have deployed in a web application, and the web application is this only. Let us explore this web application very clearly. First of all, this is the landing page, and let's go to user here and try to register a new user. Let's provide the username, some email ID, password, confirm password, phone number, country, and we have to select our profile picture. click on register in order to proceed with the registration. But you can see here we are getting some validation errors saying password should have at least one uppercase character. Okay, let me provide uppercase character, initial uppercase character. But still, if I register, it's saying here one numeric value should be there, and it's a 1 2 3 1 2 3. Again, it will say here one special character is also required. So for that, I'll add a special character as well. Now it's a strong password. Let's try to register. Hopefully we have got registration successful now. We have been redirected to the login page. Let's try to log in here with the same credentials. Let me provide the wrong password and check what will happen here. And you can see it says wrong email and password. Let's try to provide the valid username and password. Login, and you can see here it says your account is not approved yet. Okay, the administrator has to authenticate the user account. Unless and until we cannot log in into the application. So let's go to the administrator and log in with admin credentials. This is the dashboard of the administrator where we can see some information like pending users, all users. Okay, under user management, if we go, there is an option here, pending users. We will see here one user is okay, status is pending, the one which we have registered just now. Let's try to click on accept, and the user is accepted. There is no pending user right now. If you go to all users, we will see all the users information here. If you want, we can delete the user as well. Let's log out and try to log in with the same user. Now the login is successful. We have been redirected to this page, the home page or the dashboard. And we have the option here, analysis. Go to analysis, and here we can see this page is a kind of analysis page where we need to input the YouTube URL. Okay, YouTube video URL you need to input here. So let us go to YouTube and try to copy any random URL and put it here. Okay, some song is there here. Let's open that. Let me copy the URL and provide into the application. Okay, search. So you can see now after search, we have got the results here. And first of all, we have got here the YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, and right side we can see here a graph analysis where sentiment analysis of this particular video comments have been done, and the neutral, okay, 76% is there, neutral comments. Negative comments are 4% and rest are positive comments. If we scroll down here, we can see some more information like the video title. Okay, video title is there, video ID also fetched, the duration of the video. Okay, if you want, you can click on view button here. Scroll down below, you will see the comments as well as its sentiment analysis from our decision tree model. This is coming from the decision tree algorithm. Okay, as we have got 99% above accuracy in random forest and decision tree, but comparingly we have got much better results in decision tree. That model we have deployed here at user side to predict the YouTube video comments sentiment analysis part. Based on this result, we are displaying some emoji here. If positive is there, this emoji will be displayed. If neutral is there, this emoji will be displayed, and if negative, this emoji. How this is happening backgroundly, we are using here YouTube API. Okay, real-time YouTube API we are using. Because of that reason only, by inputting the YouTube URL, we have fetched the details like the thumbnail, video ID, video title, duration, and comments. Under comment section, we have got the who commented that particular user image, profile picture, as well as the username is also pasted here. For the better verification, let's try to go to the video and check what is the first comment we have got. And if I scroll down here, okay, sort by the newest first. You can see the first comment we have got is from this, okay, best singer Ajay Singh, love you so much, sir. So in our application also we have got the same result. Second one is God bless Ajit, okay, like that, God bless Ajit, neutral. So real-time API we have, okay, used here. After fetching all the YouTube comments, okay, video comments, we applied our model here. Based on that only we are getting the results. If more number of comments are there, 500, 1000, hundreds of thousands of comments are there, we can limit that, okay, in our backend. Got it? And let's if you click on this button, it will play here itself directly. And if you click on this view button, the YouTube app will open directly. Okay. So now let's go to the profile page and check what's happening here. At the time of registration, what details we have provided, the details are displayed. If you want, you can change any details from here. You can update your profile, like I'll update the profile picture. Okay. So this was the application. Hope you have understood it very clearly. Now let me tell you where is the front-end code and where is the back-end code. For that, you need to go to the project folder. This is our project folder, and in this project folder, you need to go to the address bar and type here CMD and press enter. The command prompt will open, and you need to type here code space dot. Make sure that you must have the Visual Studio Code installed in your system. If that is available, then this project folder will be opened completely in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me press enter here. The project folder is open. First of all, let me show you where we have written the code for database, how the application is connected to the database. By the way, we are using here MySQL database. So if you explore here, this is the Explorer window. If you go to YouTube comments folder, there you will see a file with the name settings.py. Open that file and in this file, scroll down below, you will find a dictionary with the name databases. In this, you can see all the information we have provided in order to connect to the database. Like for an example, what is the engine? The engine is MySQL. We are connecting to MySQL database server. What is the name of the database? This is the name of the database. To connect to this database, what username is required? Obviously, for MySQL, by default, root username will be there. Next, what is the password to connect to this database? Nothing, no password is required. Where this MySQL server is hosted in the local machine, okay, local host. And what is the port number to connect to the MySQL server is 1306. With this information only, we are going to connect to the database server. Next, front-end code will be available in, okay, templates folder. If you go to templates folder, expand this, and you will see here 3 different folders, okay, main, user, and admin. Basically, admin folder contains admin related HTML files or front-end code. User folder contains user related HTML files or front-end code. Both common you will find main, like about, contact page. Okay, both common files are available in main. So if you want, you can go here and you can change any of the data. You can edit as per the requirement. Okay, this is a simple HTML code. Next, this is the HTML part. Front-end code is available in these 3 folders. Where is the backend? For backend, we know it very well. In Django, we will have the concept of project and apps. So we have created a project under which we have created some 3 apps. You can see here there is an app with the name admin app, main app, and sentiment app. 3 apps are available. So if you expand any of the app, you will see the same files will be available in all the 3 apps. So the backend code mostly will be available. We will write in views.py file. So open the views.py file, you will find the backend code here. Okay. This is the backend code for complete sentiment app, user analysis part. Okay, where URL input will be provided. You can see here functions are the user login, user register, okay, home function, profile function. For every action you will find a function here. Loading the vectorizer, API call we are doing here. This is the function where API call is done. Okay, title, ID, URL, duration, thumbnail, everything we are fetching from that YouTube, okay, API. Positive, negative, and neutral comments. Now, similarly, you will find admin app related backend code in admin views.py file. Okay, you can see here for admin login, username is admin, password is also admin. You can change here whatever you want. Dashboard function, pending users function, accept user. Basically, admin doesn't have any much functionality in this project. Just we have given some authentication to the administrator. Otherwise, there is no need of administrator here. Directly users can use it. Okay. So this was the project explanation and required bit execution I have shown you. Hope you have understood it very clearly. If you still have the doubts regarding the execution or explanation of the project, you can ping me on WhatsApp. The number has been given already. So with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.